everybody. It's Charlie here with the Charlie Wills team. All right, welcome for market statistics. We are a week behind because I was out of town on. Not much has really changed, and I'll go over the reason for that, I think, and what I'm seeing in the market. But I do think there's some advantages coming up. We are hitting the pinnacle of the summer. We're hitting the July market. It's kind of the last really full busy month before we start to see stuff slow down a little bit in August. And the reason for that isn't for like some cause or some economic impact. It's due to families typically leaving the area and kind of getting out of the market a little bit. Right before school starts, they want to have those last vacations and time away with their family. So if you're thinking of putting your house on the market or it's time to sell your condo, this is the time. July is the time to take advantage of that before we get into that market. Other things to share. We are seeing our average price point still stay about 6% above last year's median sale price. So we're still seeing, increasing of values year over year. And that's been increasing since 2016, I want to say. Another really important factor is that on average, list price to sale price, we're seeing a little over 3.5% above that. And so that for you, if you're in the market, you're a little over $15,000 over asking because the median sale price is $420,000. So if you're looking to buy in the market, just have your head mentally prepared for that. Sellers, there's something a little bit different for you. You still got to be prepared, okay? So not just prepared from, I got my house clean, but fix all the items that need to be fixed. Have little plumbing projects or electrical projects or drywall issues or things like that. Just get all that stuff prepared, maintenance items done, because it's going to help you become the best you can be. Secondly, you want to stage it. You want to know that your property is showing its best light forward and you're trying to appeal to the most amount of buyers. Remember, your job is to make it as appealing as possible because you want to create leverage. And in this market, because there's such a demand issue over supply issue, you're going to have the advantage if you're going to prepare yourself above and beyond what other people are doing. And lastly, make sure you're pricing it properly. Right now, there's a lot of agents that are willing to tell you that things are worth more than they really are in the market, and you're going to get frustrated. So make sure you're pricing it properly. Look at the statistics. Look at your competition in the market and just make sure you're setting yourself up for success because the market will take care of itself. There's plenty of demand for your home and the market's going to supply that. Rates are holding steady. We're right about 6.5% for most 30-year mortgages. That's still statistically really good for the market. I know we've experienced 3.5%, 4% over the last few years, but that's just not normal or sustainable. So what we're going to see here going forward is I think rates are going to start to fall. It's going to be very slow and very unannounced, I would imagine, because there's not going to be a lot paid attention to it. But as we cycle into the end of the summer going into the fall, I think we're going to probably fall in the low 6s and upper 5s. Just all the economic data that's out there and kind of all the talking heads in the economic world seem to kind of think that's what's going to happen here. So anyways, lots of good positive things happening. This is actually a week that most people get out of town. And if you're a buyer and you're looking and you still have stuff going on, it's a really good time to take advantage because most people are out of town. So less competition for most people, because we usually see like a little dip in our market for showing activity this weekend over the holiday. So anyways, little tips. All right, hope you enjoy the rest of the data that we're presenting in our market report. And if you have questions, always feel free to reach out to us. All right, have a great rest of your week and happy 4th of July.